Hello, Sharon here. Let's dive straight into tip number 1, and that is changing the icons into text. So what I mean by that is if you're in an actual email and you have all these icons across the top here, now obviously you can hover over them and it will tell you what they mean, but did you know you can actually change these icons to text? So to do that, all you need to do is go into your settings, the cog in the top right corner here, click See All Settings, and scroll down until you get to one that is called button labels here, and then just change that to text and save changes at the very bottom of the page. So now when you click into an email, you have the text buttons instead. Moving on to tip number 2, and that is the number of emails that you view on a page. You can actually change that. Obviously I've only got 4 in my inbox, so if I go to my updates tab instead, you'll see 1 to 50 of 53. So to change this, all you need to do, again, go into your settings and see all settings, and at the top of the page here, maximum page size, show 50 conversations per page. Click on the drop down arrow and you have 10, 15, 20, 25, 50 or 100 emails on a page. So if you change it down to 10, scroll down to the bottom, save changes, and now when I go back into my updates tab here, you'll see it's just showing the top 10. And there's just pages of them. Tip number 3 is the snooze button. If you're really busy and you have emails coming in left, right and centre, and your inbox is just piling up with these unread emails that you know you need to get to, but you just can't deal with them just at this moment, then you can snooze it. So to do that, if you hover over the email, and you'll see over on the right hand side there is a clock icon here, which is the snooze button. So you click on there and you can snooze it until you can choose one of these preset times here, as in later today, tomorrow, next week or next weekend. Or you can select a date and time that's more convenient for you when you know you'll have time to actually read the email. So if I say 29th at 8 o'clock and click save, that email automatically disappears from your inbox, and over on the left hand side you will have a label called snoozed. So this is where all your emails that are snoozed, this is where they live basically. So if you click on snoozed, and you can see the email is here, and you'll have a date on the right hand side. You can see there that says the 29th of November, and if you click back onto the snooze icon on the right hand side, you can change the time if you want to, or you can actually unsnooze it, which cancels the snooze and puts it back into your inbox where it was in the first place. So there you have 3 real quick tips under 3 minutes. Click here for 5 Gmail settings that I think all users should know about and use. They're really good. Until next time, thanks for watching and bye for now.